For this Honda engine, this is gas operated. There is a keyed gas cap. Within the engine compartment, this is your battery disconnect. If you want to make sure that nobody can start it overnight, take the key with you, but make sure that it is engaged before you're operating. On the right-hand side, you've got the oil dipstick. Check your oil daily. If you need more oil, here's the oil intake, and this is your hydraulic oil intake. The water system for the CC900G is under the left foot of the operator. You've got your water pump, you've got your water filtration system here, and then if you do need to drain the system, you just move this drain cock to open it up and drain the system. To fill the water tank with clean water, unscrew the cap. If there isn't any debris, there is a filter sock here. Take the filter sock out and dump it.